Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Expedia. Using Apple Pay makes booking your travel incredibly simple and secure. It allows you to complete purchases quickly without manually entering card details. This method enhances your privacy by not sharing your actual card number with Expedia. You can use it for flights, hotels, and car rentals, offering a seamless checkout experience across various travel services. Before making any purchases, ensure your Apple device is ready. First, open the Wallet application on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch. Then, tap the plus sign to add a new credit or debit card. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to enter your card information. Your bank will then verify the card, which usually takes just a few moments, making it ready for secure transactions. Once you have chosen your travel arrangements on Expedia, proceed to the checkout page. Look for the payment options and select the Apple Pay button. A payment sheet will appear, displaying your default card and the total amount. Authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. After successful authentication, your booking will be confirmed and you will receive a confirmation email. Using Apple Pay offers several key advantages. Your financial information is never shared with merchants, providing superior privacy. Transactions are incredibly fast, often taking less than 5 seconds to complete. If you encounter any issues, first check your internet connection and ensure your card and wallet is active. For persistent problems, contact your bank or Apple support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.